experience right here makes it also worthwhile coming all the way from where we've come from to be with you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
This was my first time doing a wonderful fashion.
So this next one, for those hoping for something, wanting something,
Disappointing dropouts, but
needing something, even praying for something, I believe it is possible to get it. This is all that you want.
you didn't know this band, did you? Look what he's playing.